Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cloud computing skills with AWS, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the basics of cloud computing. Familiarize yourself with the AWS ecosystem and its services. Create a free AWS account to gain hands-on experience. Begin with AWS Cloud Fundamentals courses available online. Explore the AWS free tier to practice without incurring costs. Choose a specific area of focus, such as storage, computing, or machine learning. Dive into AWS documentation to deepen your knowledge. Take advantage of AWS training resources and webinars. Join online forums and communities dedicated to AWS. Participate in virtual study groups or meetups. Work on small projects to apply what you've learned. Experiment with AWS management tools like the CLI and console. Explore AWS certification paths to structure your learning journey. Prepare for certification exams using practice tests and study guides. Consider enrolling in specialized courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. Stay updated with the latest AWS news through blogs and podcasts. Engage in hands-on labs for practical experience. Review and document your learning process to reinforce knowledge. Network with professionals in the field to learn from their experiences. Set clear goals for your AWS learning journey. Continuously assess your progress and adjust your learning strategies as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.